Welcome back to Silicophilic. Love Indonesian dramas and movies but don't know where to stream them legally without paying for another subscription? There are several official platforms where you can watch Indonesian films and series for free. Some are completely free with ads, while others offer a free catalog alongside premium content. In this video, I will show you 5 of the best legal platforms where you can start watching Indonesian entertainment today. Let's get started. WeTV. Let's start with one of the best known streaming services for Asian entertainment, WeTV. If you enjoy Indonesian dramas, romantic series, comedy shows, or local movies, WeTV has one of the strongest collections available. Many Indonesian originals and popular TV dramas are available to watch completely free, although some newer episodes are reserved for VIP members. Here is how to watch. Download the WeTV app or visit the official WeTV website. Browse the Indonesia category or search for the drama or movie you want. Titles marked as free can be streamed immediately. Simply click on the play button and start watching. If you want early access to the latest episodes or an ad-free experience, you can upgrade to WeTV VIP, but it's completely optional. iQIYI. Next up is iQIYI. Most people know iQIYI for Chinese dramas, but it also features a growing collection of Indonesian movies and locally produced series. The platform regularly adds Asian films from different countries, making it a great place to discover Indonesian entertainment. Here is how to watch. Open the iQIYI website or app, search for Indonesian movies or browse the Asian movies section. Many titles can be watched for free with advertisements. Choose your movie and click on the play button. Premium members get higher video quality and earlier access to certain releases, but plenty of content remains free. Tubi. Another excellent platform is Tubi. Tubi is one of the world's largest free streaming services, and yes, it's completely legal. The platform includes a selection of Indonesian films, thrillers, documentaries, horror movies, and international cinema. Depending on your country, the available catalog may vary, but you will often find critically acclaimed Indonesian films alongside other Asian content. Here is how to watch. Visit the Tubi website or install the Tubi app. Create a free account if you want to save your watch list, although it's optional. Search for Indonesian movies or browse the international films category. Select your movie and start watching. Since Tubi is supported by advertisements, there is no monthly subscription required. If you are having trouble streaming Tubi, use the Opera browser. Opera has a built-in free VPN feature that can help bypass regional restrictions or connectivity issues. Rakuten Viki. Another platform worth checking is Rakuten Viki. You can find Indonesian dramas and movies on Rakuten Viki, but the selection is generally very limited. Viki has a dedicated page for Indonesia categories. The platform is popular because of its subtitle community. Many dramas have subtitles created and improved by language communities. To watch, open Rakuten Viki with your account credentials, search for Indonesian dramas, and select your show. Choose available subtitles. The free version usually includes ads. Premium membership revokes ad and unlocks additional content. YouTube. Last but definitely not the least is YouTube. Many Indonesian filmmakers, production companies, and independent studios legally upload full-length movies to YouTube. You will also find short films, documentaries, classic Indonesian movies, and independent productions that are completely free to watch. Some official channels even release entire films with English subtitles, making them accessible to international viewers. Here are a few channels worth exploring: Click Film, MD Pictures, Star Vision Plus, V Cinema Pictures, Base Entertainment, official movie uploads from independent Indonesian filmmakers. Here is how to watch. Open YouTube, search for the movie you are looking for, or visit one of these official channels. Make sure the upload comes from the production company or a verified channel. Then simply click on the play button. Since these are official uploads, you can enjoy them legally without worrying about unsafe videos. So which platform are you going to watch first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you know another legal website where people can watch Indonesian movies for free, share it with everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Silicophilic, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest streaming guides, software tutorials, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.